I'm going to show you how to do salty paintings. So you'll need some salt. It needs to be coarse salt, some paper, pencil, water in a pot, paintbrush and paint. Now if you've got watercolours, great. If not, just a normal bog standard, well used as you can see, paint palette. Or if you have just squirty paint, you just make sure you really water that down. So you can make whatever pictures you would like. I thought today I'd show you how to do a dragon. So firstly you need to do a circle. You'll then need a neck and a head. Now a head is a funny kidney bean type shape, and you need then a neck. So two sides of your neck. You will need a tail, which is a triangle shape, and another triangle to make that tail pointy. Don't worry if at any point you're not happy with your paint picture, because you can always try it again, use a rubber. Do not worry, because you can use as much time as you want to make yours how you wish. But no picture has to be perfect. It's quite nice sometimes when you just do it as you go, because I think you'll find you're a lot better at drawing than you realise. Just take it as each section a different shape. So once you've got this part of your body, you want some wings. Now your wings can be really high or low. You can have whatever many sections you like, but you always start with your curved shape here. You then want some bent shapes, a bit like a umbrella upside down onto your dragon. Now the lines that you've made at this point, you want to make curl round to make it look more like a wing. He will need some legs, so you want two lines, and upside down triangle, triangle, upside down triangle. Two parts of his leg, upside down triangle, triangle and upside down triangle. Remember, with any videos or drawing you can pause them, so that's the beauty of being able to draw, do bits as you go. Now our dragon's looking lovely, but I think the other thing he needs is some spikes down his neck. So again, you could do big, small, you could make just a few spikes, you can make them really tall, skinny, fat, however you would like them. Now, here's the fun part. You need to have your paint really watery. I think today I'm going to make a blue dragon. Now you can do your dragon or your picture however you would like. Fish under the sea is quite a good salty picture to do, or unicorns, horses, crocodiles. You choose what you would like to draw. The technique of a salty painting can be used for any picture. So you're getting lots and lots of watery paint onto your picture. Now don't worry if you go over the lines, because afterwards you're going to make it look fab. And actually, this type of painting, it doesn't matter if you go over the lines. Now you will need some salt at this point, and what you're going to do is over your watery paint you are going to spread your salt. Now what happens is the paint colour is absorbed by the salt. Let's see if I can show you on this bit here. So straight away the salt draws the paint colour towards it. Now hopefully you can see this. Hopefully that's a little bit better. But basically you cover the whole of your painting with watered down paint and add the salt. Now you'll need to let it dry. Now I've got one that I did a few minutes ago, and this one I did green and purple. Here we go. You can see his head, there we go. So can you see already the paint is being absorbed by the salt. Now, once it's all dry, you can cut out or draw over your dragon. Now, this is my first attempt, and I'm not sure if you can see. Down here is some salty areas, and here what we're going to do is we're going to get our pen and we're going to go over to create our dragon. He's going to come alive once you start drawing. Okay, so straight away we're going to add his eye. We're going to add some big teeth, and you can then add to his wings. And add all the extra. Okay, this is where, when you look at his tail, okay, you will just do the line on the outside. You won't need to do the line where you cross your triangles over. Okay, so you can then cut out your dragon or picture whatever you've done, and you can put him on your fridge or in a frame, or maybe you'd like to send him to someone in the post. But there we go. Let's draw a dragon and your salty paintings.